Make some sense of this because as of right now, we've had a gathering of what looks to me like farmers and their tractors creating a little bit of a freedom trucker convoy in Toronto. Now, what surprises me about this video here, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not paying attention correctly, I need to point out something how far gone we have gone. Because if you do see what I see in this still photo so far, which I will play the video in a second, you will notice something very insane. Do you see it? Because I sure see it. Why the hell are these horses wearing eye shields, face shields? Why are they wearing face shields? What planet am I on?